Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about bayonet lugs on the Zastava M70. So, I have added one to mine, and it was kind of a pain in the butt, but it can be done. With minimal gunsmithing, a little bit of redneck engineering, and probably too much Bubba for most of you, but it works. So, first off, AKs, as they come into the country, they are not allowed to have bayonet lugs for stupid reasons, and because of that, it doesn't actually have the wings that engage the back of the bayonet and actually lock it in place. However, it does have a protrusion off of the gas block that is used to sort of guide the cleaning rod and help secure it in place. The cleaning rod goes right through it, and using that, what we did was basically weld on a little bit of material on both sides towards the bottom. And then using very small files, this random set of hobby files I had laying around, just kind of file away at the thing until it resembled the wings that are actually supposed to be on a bayonet lug.
This is roughly how the fitment started, which was nowhere near close. This process involved lots of just filing away, trying to keep it smooth, flatten out the edges. Starting to make some progress. Those are almost looking like wings. I taped it up in an attempt to protect it, which I think it may have helped, but it didn't hurt. And here's the final result.
It does not look pretty, but that's the easiest way that I could figure out to do it. And then applied Bubba's favorite solution, some cold glue. And hey, yeah, now it only kind of looks ratty. I have this AK-74 bayonet here that also works. So for what it's worth, that's what we went through in order to, make this happen. So now I have +5 melee and I won't die in the streets, so that's good. With that being said, there is one more note I want to make, which is to say why you cannot simply do this to the M90. This is my M90. The barrel is actually 2 inches longer. It's an 18-inch barrel, which means that even if it did butt up to the muzzle, the back of the bayonet lug would need to be about here, which is in front of the gas block. Not only that, but the M90 does not have that little, I don't know what to call it, the little nubbin that the M70 does have. So there's nothing to even weld onto. So you would have to start from scratch, which is problematic. That is why the M90 is a no-go for this method, sadly. So with that being said, now we know it is possible. Kind of janky, but it works. And you know what? I'm happy that I can put a bayonet on this rifle and it not immediately fall off. So, hey, progress, moving forward, one step at a time. I still think it looks cool. Hope you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one.